Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the Farr Digital Media. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you guys can make $100 every single day from selling and earning money with TikTok. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, like and subscribe right now. We talk about everything money, making money online, YouTube tips and tricks and all that good stuff. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. And guys, let's jump into this. So what is TikTok Shop? So TikTok Shop is a way where creators can earn money from promoting products. It's pretty much called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing, what you do is you pretty much sell products with certain companies and you will earn a commission. Now, TikTok has been one of the fastest, social media sites that we've seen in the past decade grow. And one of the reasons I personally love it is when you create a video with TikTok, you can reach a lot of people very, very fast. Now, imagine you guys post a video and you guys had 5,000 views with a 1% conversion rate on a product that you earn $10 on. You guys could easily earn $100. And this is the thing about TikTok is you can reach a lot of people very, very quick. So let's continue. So the first thing that if you guys are watching this and you're like, I don't know what to make videos on, anything. Everybody, in my opinion, has some sort of passion. It could be health and fitness, technology, finance, it could be fashion, travel. You want to have a niche that has a good balance of demand and competition. Demand means that people want to watch it, people want to buy it. That's very, very, very important here. Now, you also need to sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. So I'll put a link to it down below, and there is certain requirements that has to get met beforehand. But one of the things that I would recommend doing is if you're a tech creator, just do tech videos. I think headphones, right? If you have a camera, if you have a smartphone, if you have something tech related or whatever it is, whatever your niche is about, just continue to post videos until those requirements are met. The biggest thing about TikTok is consistency. It's like going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, you're not going to get in shape. If you go 2 times, you're not going to get in shape. The same thing's with TikTok. If you post 1 video, you're not going to grow. If you post 2 videos, you're not going to grow. But if you start posting consistently, somewhere along those lines, you're going to start gathering more views, reaching more followers, and start growing. And this is how you guys could just sign up for the affiliate program. And this is kind of how it looks, right? It's very simple. Email, verification code, phone number, verification code, password. So the next thing is just choosing products to sell. So you guys could sell, they sell so many different things on TikTok, like homemade goods. They do sell some digital courses, and obviously you're just going to want to go on the TikTok Shop, seeing what the commissions are, and just pick one that you believe in. I personally wouldn't recommend anything you wouldn't use, right? Don't go into it thinking, okay, this product I've never used before, but the commission is 80%. I'm going to just only promote that. No, personally, I would rather have a little bit lower of a commission, 10, 20%, but it's a product you believe in and you use. That's going to be more compelling and more believable for you. So let's talk about how you guys can actually start doing this. So the first thing that I would recommend doing is actually open up a captions account. Captions is a great account for people that want to start making short form content. And this is a video here that we recently created. We did not edit this. And the reason I love it is my face looks very funny in that. But the reason I love it is it adds captions. It gives it a little more pop. You can add you can add certain things. So we'll just go through it super quick here. And so this is kind of how it will look. This is the #1 camera every content creator needs. And this is the Canon G7X. The reason why I absolutely love this is you guys can find this thing under $500. Not to mention it has a flip up screen so you can always be in frame. On top of that, it compacts and can go right in your pocket. Having a good compact camera is great for vlogs, photos, and just capturing videos on the go. It's not going to be a big bulky camera like a DSLR or anything like that. this is a cheap, affordable camera that is literally compact and can fit in your pocket. I'll put a link to it down below, so check it out if you guys want to purchase it, but this is the best camera. All right, so as you guys will notice in that video, we briefly described the camera, some of its pros, some of its cons. We showed some of its features. One of the things I could have added to give it a little more information would have been a video test of this camera to show the viewers kind of how it looks. And more importantly, at the end of the video, what did we have? We had a call to action saying, hey, if we want to purchase this camera, click that link and buy it. Doing that will help people go, man, I want that camera, I'm gonna buy it. And it will really help with your conversions. So after we made that, the next step here is to go to your TikTok studio and actually upload that video here. So this is the upload, and what it will have is it will have a product link where you guys can click the product that you were talking about and that you added to your TikTok shop, and then boom, bam, and then you guys are ready to go. As well as add a very good title, good hashtags. So we'll briefly go through this and add our description. So what I added here is I just found the best camera for content creation, hashtag creator, hashtag TikToker, YouTuber, entrepreneur, and then we just have to add that product link and we are good to go. Given that this account I actually just created with TikTok, I don't have those features just yet, but I'm still gonna upload this video and I will put a link to it actually in my description, so if people want to buy it, they can buy it there. But this is a very easy way where you guys can start selling on TikTok, so I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.